Hey boys and girls, Mac Comer here, Knoxville, Tennessee's Dean of Fun, and today I'm going to read you a book titled Goldilocks and the Three Bears. Once upon a time, there were three bears, a great big papa bear, a middle-sized mama bear, and a little baby bear. They all lived together in a house in the woods. They had three chairs, a great big chair for Papa Bear, a middle-sized chair for Mama Bear, and a little chair for Baby Bear. Upstairs, they had three beds. One morning, Mama Bear made a big pot of porridge for breakfast, and when she ladled the porridge into their bowls, it was too hot. While they waited for their porridge to cool, the three bears went for a walk in the woods. That very same morning, a little girl called Goldilocks was walking in the woods. She was tired and hungry. Goldilocks saw the three bears' house. The door was open. Something inside smelled delicious. Goldilocks was so hungry that she walked right in. Goldilocks saw the three bowls of porridge. First, she tasted the porridge in the great big bowl. It was much too hot. Next, she tasted the porridge in the middle-sized bowl. It was much too cold. Last, she tasted the porridge in the small bowl. She said happily as she ate it all up. This is just right. Then Goldilocks saw the three chairs. She sat in the great big chair, but it was too high. She sat in the middle-sized chair, but it was too wide. The small chair was just right, but it broke. Goldilocks went upstairs and she saw three beds. First, she lay on the great big bed. It was too hard. Next, she lay on the middle-sized bed. It was too soft. But the small bed was just right. Goldilocks lay down and went to sleep. Then back to the house came the three bears. They looked at their bowls. "Someone's been eating my porridge," growled Papa Bear. "Someone's been eating my porridge," grumbled Mama Bear. "Someone's eating all my porridge," cried Baby Bear. Well, then they noticed the chairs. "Someone's been sitting in my chair," growled Papa Bear. "Someone's been sitting in my chair," grumbled Mama Bear. "Someone's broken my chair," cried Baby Bear. Then up the stairs went the three bears. The three bears walked into their bedroom. "Someone's been sleeping in my bed," growled Papa Bear. "Someone's been sleeping in my bed," grumbled Mama Bear. "Someone is sleeping in my bed right now," cried Baby Bear. Goldilocks woke up and saw the three angry bears. "Oh," she cried. "Oh, oh, oh." Goldilocks jumped out of bed and she ran out of the door and kept running all the way home. And she never went back to the little house in the woods. All right, boys and girls, I hope you enjoyed reading that book with me as much as I enjoyed reading it with you. Until next time, I'll see you later. Bye.